Stop what you are doing right now. We all love a job well done, but what about a job done perfectly? Today, you are going to see 50 moments where workers are total masters. They turn messy jobs into amazing, smooth perfection. If you love satisfying videos, this is the best one you will ever see. Get ready, because this level of skill and perfection deserves a big applause. We start with the big stuff. Look at this worker leveling wet concrete. It looks like spreading butter. With just one smooth sweep, he makes a rough floor totally flat and shiny. This next clip is pure magic. Watch the pressure washer blast away years of dirt. That line between clean and dirty is so sharp and clean, it's a real treat for your eyes. Next, see the bricklayer's hands. They move so fast, but every brick is placed perfectly. This is not just speed, it's total control. Now watch the painter. No tape, just a steady hand and a perfectly straight line. This is what an expert looks like. We also see clever tricks, like using a tool to make a plain wall look exactly like stone or brick. Finally, watch this worker remove the old bumpy ceiling. The clean scrape is so satisfying, it's like peeling a sticker off a new phone. These workers don't just fix things, they make them flawless. Now for the detailed work. Watch the potter take a lump of clay and make a tall, perfect shape in just a few seconds. This is a serious focus. In the kitchen, the chef is a master of the knife. He cuts that dough or cheese into perfectly equal pieces faster than you can blink. Every slice is the same amazing precision. Look at the glaze on this pot. The pattern appears instantly as it dips into the liquid. It's like magic, turning a plain pot into art. Even simple jobs look amazing. See the window cleaner's squeegee? One long, smooth motion, and the glass is clean with no streaks. We also see tiny details. Watch the person engraving metal. The tool carves a bright, clean line on the jewelry, and when things are old, experts bring them back to life. See the headlight go from cloudy to crystal clear with just one wipe. This is the art of perfect restoration. Time for big power and amazing skill. Look at the excavator driver. He uses the giant bucket to do tiny, delicate things. He moves the huge machine with the control of his own hands. It's unbelievable accuracy. Outside, the gardener is a true artist. He uses the string trimmer to give the lawn a razor-sharp, perfect edge. He also turns a messy bush into a perfect round ball. He tames nature with his tools. Smart farming is next. See this farmer's homemade planting tool? He plants many seeds at once without having to bend down. It saves time and energy. Very smart work. We also see perfect teamwork, like the workers who harvest crops with a perfect, fast rhythm. In the factory, everything is fast and organized. The forklift driver stacks boxes with zero wasted space, and the machines fill bottles to the exact same level every time. This smooth flow is simply mesmerizing to watch. We are almost done, and the speed is going up. Watch the worker quickly trim the rough top of the cement block one fast, clean slice. This is true precision. See the quick fold of the wire, making it instantly tidy. And the sorting machine works so fast, making sure every item goes to the right place without any mistakes. Here is the worker shaping the edge of the new path with a small tool, making a perfect smooth curve. It's the small details that make the job perfect. Every worker you see here is a master of their craft. We are heading inside the factories where fast hands and smart machines rule. Look at the speed of this worker on the assembly line. Their hands are a blur, doing the same task perfectly every 2 seconds. This is human efficiency at its peak. Watch the industrial cutter. It slices through stacks of material paper, fabric, or foam in one big, clean, powerful motion. The edges are always perfectly straight. This is power with zero mistakes. Next, see the workers quickly and gently sorting delicate items, like chocolates or small parts, as they rush down the conveyor belt. Their eyes and hands are in perfect sync. The smallest mistake could ruin the whole batch, but they never fail. And finally, look at the packaging machine applying a plastic wrap or seal. The material wraps perfectly tight, leaving no wrinkles. This smooth, flawless packaging ensures the product is clean and ready to go. Now let's see how experts handle liquids. Watch this worker pouring a thick epoxy mix onto a countertop. It flows and spreads out like honey, finding its own level and removing all the bubbles. The final result will be a glass smooth surface. Next, see the machine quickly applying a thin coating, maybe paint or glaze, to hundreds of objects. The speed and coverage are totally consistent. Every single piece looks exactly the same. In the kitchen, see the master chef tempering chocolate. They work the melted liquid on the slab, spreading it back and forth until it turns perfectly shiny and smooth. This is the secret to that irresistible snap when you break it. And watch how this worker uses a small tool to melt and weld plastic or vinyl sheeting. The liquid material flows together, creating a strong, invisible, and permanent seal. Flawless fusion. Moving big things perfectly requires massive skill. Look at the container operator carefully lowering a massive metal box onto a truck. He has to fit it perfectly into a tight spot with only inches to spare. It's nerve-wracking to watch, but he nails it. Now see the perfect teamwork as a group of workers quickly load a truck with bags or sacks. They throw and catch them in a rhythm that never breaks. This coordinated dance is faster than any machine. Watch the warehouse worker quickly unload hundreds of pipes or logs from a truck using a simple lever or even just their foot. The heavy objects roll off smoothly and stack themselves almost perfectly on the ground. Simple yet brilliant. And finally, see the clever way this worker uses a rope or belt to pull and secure a heavy load with minimal effort. This is using physics to make the job easier, and it's so satisfying to watch it all lock into place. Next, we focus on the power of cutting and shaping. Look at the massive circular saw slicing through a huge log. The wood is cut into perfect uniform planks, revealing the beautiful fresh grain inside. Watch the carpenter perfectly line up and connect two complex pieces of wood using precision joinery. The pieces lock together so tightly that you can't even see the seam. It's a perfect fit. Now see the worker using a handheld router or shaper to carve a decorative edge onto a piece of trim or furniture. The curl of wood comes off and the smooth, perfect pattern is revealed. And finally, see the worker taking an old, scratched piece of furniture and stripping the varnish with heat and a scraper. The old layer peels away cleanly, leaving the beautiful, natural wood ready for a fresh start. We finish with the most unique and detailed work. Look at the artisan carefully making a mosaic pattern. He cuts the tiny glass or stone pieces with sharp precision and places them exactly where they need to go. Watch the person making an intricate design with sand or salt. The careful pouring and shaping require maximum concentration. The finished temporary artwork is stunning. See the craftsman using a fine tool to carve a detailed pattern into a piece of soap, candle wax, or fruit. The delicate cuts turn a simple item into a beautiful, fragile sculpture. And for our final moments of perfection, watch the mesmerizing process of dyeing fabric. The perfect saturated color is applied, flowing through the material evenly and flawlessly. This vibrant transformation is the perfect end to our video. That's a wrap on a video filled with jobs done better than perfect. Seriously, the skill we saw today was just incredible. Before you go, tell us which one of these masters is your favorite. Let us know the clip number in the comments below. If you felt that rush of satisfaction, you know what to do. Hit that like button to show your appreciation for these workers, and subscribe right now so you don't miss our next video filled with satisfying magic. Thanks for watching, and stay perfect.